Russia helped Houthis target Red Sea ships. Report: Russia earlier this year provided satellite data to help Yemen's Houthis strike ships in the Red Sea, The Wall Street Journal reported Thursday. The US Daily, citing a person familiar with the matter and two anonymous European defense officials, reported that the data was transmitted by Iranian intermediaries and used to target ships with missiles and drones. The Houthis, who control vast swaths of Yemen, started targeting commercial shipping in the Red Sea in what they say is solidarity with Palestinians in the Gaza war, sparked by Hamas's 7 October 2023 attack on Israel. The attacks have led to a dramatic drop in traffic through the key shipping lane. In response, the United States and Britain deployed a naval coalition to the region and have bombed Houthi targets in Yemen. In more than 100 Houthi attacks over nearly a year, 4 sailors have been killed and 2 ships have sunk, while 1 vessel and its crew remain detained since being hijacked last November.